The Dow Jones Industrial Average erased a 150-point loss amid rising U.S.-China tensions midday Monday, as China halted purchases of some U.S. farm goods. Dow Jones stock Pfizer dove 8% on drug trial news, as the current stock market rally continues. Apple AAPL rallied 0.7%, while Microsoft MSFT fell 0.7% in today's stock market. Dow Jones stock Pfizer PFE sold off 8% after disappointing trial results for a breast cancer drug. Eli Lilly LLY and Gilead Sciences Gilead were both lower after coronavirus drug news. Tesla TSLA is breaking out today, while Snap is in buy range above a new buy point. Dow Jones today, U.S.-China tension. The Nasdaq Composite moved up 0.35% Monday midday. At around 11:45 a.m. Eastern Time, the S&P 500 was up 0.15%, while the Dow Jones Industrials also gained 0.15%. On Monday, China asked its state-owned firms to halt purchases of soybeans and pork from the United States, according to reports. In January, China agreed to purchase U.S. farm goods as a part of the Phase 1 trade deal between the two nations. Meanwhile, Reuters reported that China's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Zhao Lijian said, the U.S. has become addicted to quitting groups and scrapping treaties. On Friday, President Trump said the U.S. would begin the process to remove its special relationship with Hong Kong after China approved a controversial national security law effectively stripping the city's status as an autonomous district. Among exchange-traded funds, Innovator IBD 50 FFTY moved up 0.8%. The ETF of top growth stocks is about 13% off its 52-week high. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq 100-linked Invesco QQQ Trust ETF QQQ traded down 0.1%, and the SPDR S&P 500 SPY ETF was up 0.1%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq is once again positive for 2020 after the coronavirus stock market crash, up 5.8% through Friday's close. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average are down 5.8% and 11.1%, respectively, through May 29. IBD Live, a new tool for daily stock market analysis. Coronavirus news: U.S. cases top 1.8 million. The coronavirus outbreak continues to spread across the U.S. According to the Worldometer data tracker, the cumulative number of confirmed U.S. cases exceeded 1.8 million. Despite the rising total, the daily number of new cases is trending lower. Confirmed COVID-19 cases worldwide climbed above 6.2 million, with about 374,000 virus-related deaths. With the daily number of new cases still on the decline, investors in the U.S. are turning attention to the economic impact of the coronavirus outbreak and how fast the country reopens for business. Coronavirus drug news: Eli Lilly, Gilead Sciences. Eli Lilly turned 1.1% lower after opening higher on an announcement the company would begin an early-stage trial to test its coronavirus drug treatment. The stock found support at its 50-day line last week and is back above a 147.97 buy point in a consolidation base. On the downside, Gilead Sciences tumbled 4%.